Hello, I'm Jack Gordon, one of the analog astronauts on Meili 1, Space Health Research's 2023 analog mission. Now, one of the most important parts of any astronaut mission is the health and nutrition of the astronauts. Now, the more we know about an astronaut's body, health and nutritional characteristics, the better we can ensure that they stay healthy on long missions. So how do we find out about nutritional and health characteristics? One way is through DNA testing. Now, I have a DNA testing kit here provided by one of our mission sponsors, Biosynergy. Thank you very much to them. Now, this DNA testing kit is going to look for genetic mutations that I might have that indicate a higher likelihood of any deficiencies or differences in bone density, or maybe how I should look at dieting and things like that. So I'm going to talk a bit about the health insights that we're going to see come from this kit. So some of the health insights provided by this kit are iron deficiency, magnesium deficiency, sugar response, caffeine sensitivity, unsaturated fat benefit, genetic bone mineral density, muscle power, muscle stamina, and anaerobic threshold, to name but a few. The kit itself is relatively straightforward. It contains an instruction manual with what to do and a return envelope for your sample, a sample vial with a unique barcode that's specifically for your test, and a funnel, as this is a saliva test. Right now, the amount of people that go to space is relatively small, but as the space sector expands and the amount of crewed astronaut missions increase, so too will the pool of astronauts. So this will mean that the health and nutritional characteristics of astronauts going to space will become more varied and diverse. So this opens a door for further research. We could look at the specifics of astronaut health and nutrition, particularly in environments that astronauts may face, such as microgravity, different atmospheric composition, or with controlled diets. So thank you very much for Biosynergy for providing the kit, and I look forward to seeing my results.